Hello and welcome to Isaan Flicks. Today is the third day of almost constant rain here in Warin Chamrap district, Ubon Ratchathani, Thailand, in the region known as Isaan. So I decided to clean up my computer and found these few clips from last week before the rain came back. As you will see, it looks rather dry, but very much unlike what it looks like today. The roadway, for example, is covered in mud and running water. There is no flooding as such in our part of the village, but I have had some reports of local flooding not too far from us. Nothing to do with any rivers overflowing, but just an accumulation of runoff rainwater collecting in low-lying areas, but mainly contained to the roads. So nothing to worry about. Not that there is any chance of flooding where we live, unless Warin Chamrap town goes completely underwater. My dog will not even venture out from under my wife's pickup truck this morning, as today is not just wet and rainy, but it's also chilly. Just 21 degrees C. Might sound warm for some parts of the world, but the average temperature for the time of year out here, it should be around 32 degrees C. Luckily the rain so far has been light, with a few heavier but by no means heavy rain downpours. Furthermore, just when you think the rain has ceased, it starts up again. So after a few dry days, nature is certainly making up for it now. Unfortunately, the lane outside our house is like a running mud stream in places, and there is no way I will be venturing out today. Even if the dog wants to go out, he will have to go alone. I suppose this could be considered one of the downsides to living in rural Isaan, but the rainy season is almost over for another year. However, there are many more pluses for living out here in Isaan, not too far from Warin Chamrap town or Ubon Ratchathani city centre, but still in the countryside, for now at least, as more and more new houses and other constructions are popping up in what used to be rice paddies. But that is just another fact of life. Somebody did ask me if I enjoyed the rainy season. I simply told them that water is the most essential element of life, because without water I couldn't make any coffee. Furthermore, without rain, there wouldn't be any rice in the fields. As you can now see, the rice crops are growing nicely, and most probably by the end of this month or early next month, it will be harvested. For me, as I said before, walking about in nature is wonderful, as daily I can observe the changes made by nature, not just to the rice, but to the trees, the plants and foliage, which of course then keeps the air we breathe fresh. Then of course there's the blue or grey skies, the moving clouds, sunlight reflecting from water, raindrops on leaves, birds singing and flying around, butterflies floating about, the moist green grass and the wind moving the trees. And the list goes on and on. And these are just a few of the miracles of nature we take for granted. I hope you did enjoy this short video and the music of course, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment, or if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. The cattle are heading home, so we shall do the same. So that's it, until my next video. Stay safe, and it's a very goodbye from me.